At the genesis of industrial revolution, traditional manufacturing laid the foundation of progress, igniting an era of unparalleled innovation and growth. However, this forefront of advancement cast a long shadow, marked by environmental degradation, resource exhaustion, and economic disparities. We find ourselves at a pivot, teetering on the edge of an environmental and fiscal precipice prompted by unchecked consumption of natural resources. This scenario vividly highlights the pressing need for a shift towards more sustainable practices. As we navigate through this narrative, it becomes evident that the traditional methods must evolve to accommodate the sustainable future we envision. The urgency for this transformation resonates across industries, signaling a call to action for embracing innovative and sustainable solutions. Progressing from the imperative need for change, we venture into a promising realm where green manufacturing shines as a pivotal solution. This approach is not just an alternative, it's a testament to the harmonious balance between profitability and environmental stewardship. Globally, visionary enterprises are proof of this balance, thriving both ecologically and financially. Pioneering technologies and strategies sit at the heart of this green revolution. Through vivid success stories of businesses that adopted green manufacturing, we see significant reductions in carbon footprints and waste, underscoring the viability and potential of sustainable practices. Technological breakthroughs, leveraging renewable energy and recycling innovations, assert that environmental efficiency and production efficiency are not mutually exclusive. These stories are not only preserving our planet, but also redefining production philosophy to prioritize sustainability. As we delve deeper, the narrative unfolds a roadmap for businesses, showcasing how challenges can transform into strategic opportunities for growth and sustainability. In the culmination of our journey, the transformative essence of green manufacturing crystallizes as the future we must embrace. Its necessity, once a hopeful beacon, is now an undeniable reality with every business that transitions to sustainable practices, illustrating a promising horizon filled with economic and ecological prosperity. This shift towards green manufacturing is an inspiring testament to aligning business objectives with environmental stewardship. It paints a vision of a future where economic growth, planetary health, and sustainability coalesce. Standing at a juncture of transition, it becomes clear that for businesses willing to lead in this green revolution, the benefits are multifold, offering a legacy of a healthier planet and a resilient economy. As we conclude, let's remember that cultivating a sustainable future transcends mere adoption of new practices. It's about fostering a culture where business and ecology flourish in synergy. The future is green, and it's upon us now, urging us to forge ahead towards a sustainable and prosperous world.